Good morning. For the rest of this week, it's going to be mainly dry. There will be one or two showers in the forecast, which could be sharp and also thundery. But you will notice a cooler easterly breeze, especially so along the North Sea coastline. I'll have all the details throughout this morning's programme. Good morning both, and good morning to you too. If we take a look at the rest of this week, what you can expect. There's a lot of dry weather in the forecast. There's some sunshine. The odd isolated shower, but even so they could be heavy and thundery if you do catch one. But it's going to turn cooler in the east as we pull in more of an easterly breeze. So this morning it's a chilly start in parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and also North Wales, with temperatures close to freezing. And you can see a weak weather front bringing some rain in across the northwest of Scotland. One or two showers in Wales and also the southwest, and quite a bit of cloud across central and also southeastern parts of England. But note how it breaks up in parts through the course of the day as we see further showers develop, and again some of those locally could be heavy and potentially thundery. The best of the sunshine today will be out towards the west. Temperatures between 10 and about 15 degrees, so down just a notch on yesterday. Now through this evening and overnight we still will have areas of cloud. Many of the showers will fade, and under clear skies in Scotland and also Northern Ireland, temperatures locally will move down towards freezing or just a little bit below, but it is going to be a chilly night, so if you've been busy in the garden, do bear that in mind. For some there'll be some frost. Tomorrow, with an easterly breeze developing, you can see the cloud in the east drifting over towards the west, where there will be a few showers, some cloud getting in across parts of Northern Ireland, but a fair bit of sunshine. Cooler along the east coast, but generally temperatures up a little bit tomorrow compared to today. Dan and Nina. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. It's chilly if you haven't yet stepped outside. In some parts of Scotland it's -2. It's also close to freezing in parts of Northern Ireland and also Wales. But as you can see here, we're looking at roughly between about 2 and 7 degrees to start the day. Now there's quite a lot of cloud across central southern England into the southeastern corner as well. And we've got a weak weather front bringing some showery outbreaks of rain across the northwest of Scotland. Move east of that, it's drier, and we're starting off with some sunshine but chilly. That same weather front affecting western parts of Northern Ireland with a few showers. The east of Northern Ireland seeing some sunshine, and then we run into all this cloud as we push down from Yorkshire into Lincolnshire, East Anglia, the southeast, the Midlands and also parts of Wales, with one or two showers getting in across the southwest of England. Now as we go through the course of the day, more showers are going to develop. Some of those could be heavy and thundery, but in between them there will be some sunshine, but temperatures down a touch on where they were yesterday. Through this evening and overnight, you can see how the showers drift further west. With this easterly breeze, it's pushing the cloud further westwards. There'll be clear skies though in Scotland and also Northern Ireland, so here we could see a touch of frost in some prone areas, but it does mean that there'll be some sunshine here first thing tomorrow. However, we still have all this cloud being pushed by the easterly breeze from the west towards the east, with a few showers in the west by the afternoon. We could also see at times some low cloud and some mist lapping on shore across the northeast of England and southeast Scotland. And as the weather front tries to make inroads into Northern Ireland, it will throw more cloud ahead of it as well. Temperatures tomorrow 8 in the north to 17 in the south. But don't forget, with the easterly breeze, it will feel that bit cooler along the North Sea coastline. Dan and Nina. Thanks. To Monday in the west when we saw some rain come in, but you're quite right, for most of us, for most of the time it was. Good morning. It's a chilly start to the day today, and although some of us are starting with some sunshine, there will be quite a lot of cloud around, producing some showers. Some of those will be heavy and thundery. I'll have all the details throughout this morning's programme. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. For some of us, it is a beautiful start to the day, as you can see from our Weather Watchers picture here in Arbroath. But there is some cloud around, and this Weather Watchers picture from Canterbury shows what I'm talking about. And for others, we do have quite a lot of cloud extending from Yorkshire through Lincolnshire, down through the Midlands, East Anglia and into the southeast. Now we've got a weak weather front crossing parts of northwestern Scotland and Northern Ireland, bringing in a few showers. And as we go through the course of today, you can see how further showers bubble up. Some of those will be heavy and potentially thundery, but in between there will be some sunshine. Temperatures today 10 to about 15 degrees, with lighter winds in the northwest compared to yesterday, and just gentle breezes more or less across the board. Now through this evening and overnight, many of the showers will fade. We will have areas of cloud, but for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, under clear skies, you're likely to see some patchy mist and fog and temperatures slip away below freezing. So locally we could just see a touch of frost here, but it is going to be a chilly night really wherever you are. Now tomorrow we've got more of an easterly breeze developing, so it will feel cooler along the North Sea coastline, but you can see how this cloud is blowing from the east towards the west, taking some showers with it. So along the North Sea coastline, these are the kind of temperature values you can expect, but move inland, especially the further west that you are, and the temperatures will be that bit higher in the sunshine, and up to 16 or 17 degrees in the sunshine will feel quite pleasant. But we're going to hang on to that easterly breeze for the next few days. Dan and Nina. Good morning both, good morning to you too, and the weather for the rest of this week is fairly quiet. It's going to be largely dry, there'll be some sunshine, isolated showers, although more than that today, and it's going to be turning cooler in the east as we pull in more of an easterly breeze. Now at the moment it's a chilly start, particularly in the Highlands where temperatures are still around freezing, but if you haven't stepped out yet, this is what will greet you, between about 2 and maybe 9 degrees. We've also got some rain, showery rain coming in across the northwest of Scotland, 1 or 2 showers in Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, and 1 or 2 just fringing the east where we do have a bit more cloud around. But in between these areas of cloud there will be some sunshine. Now through the course of the day you can see how our weather front slips southwards, bringing some showers into Northern Ireland. It won't be as windy across the northwest as today, but further showers will develop, and some of those could be heavy and thundery, with temperatures 10 to 15 degrees. So we're down a couple of degrees on where we were yesterday. Tree pollen levels today are high across East Anglia and the southeast, low to moderate across the rest of the country. Now through this evening and overnight, many of the showers will fade. There still will be areas of cloud, but under clear skies in Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll see some patchy mist and fog form, and temperatures could drop down as low as freezing or just below in some sheltered areas. So tomorrow, that's where we'll start off with the sunshine, of course. The cloud in the east drifting westwards as the breeze picks up along this North Sea coastline. So there'll be a few showers in the west, a bit more in the way of cloud coming into Northern Ireland as we go through the day, but mainly in the west. And temperatures, well, we're looking at 14 to 16, maybe 17 in western areas, but cooler along this North Sea coastline. So we've got a real east-west split in our temperatures. Now compare that to what's happening in other parts of Europe, and it's more of a north-south split. So we've got Oslo and Bergen, 17 to 20 degrees, whereas in Spain, look at this, 14s and 15s. That's because we've got this area of low pressure bringing a lot of rain, and it's going to be drifting over towards southern France and Italy over the next couple of days. It's in southern France at the moment, actually. But in the north, we've got high pressure, and that's what's bringing us the easterly wind. And the easterly wind will make it feel cool, again, especially in the east coast. So on Thursday, still a lot of dry weather around, still some sunshine to be had as well. But we do have that brisk easterly wind just knocking the edge off those temperatures, which at best are 9 to about 17 degrees. And as we head on into the end of the week and the weekend, still large areas of cloud around, still that breeze, and 1 or 2 showers in the south. Dan and Nina. Good morning. It's a chilly start to the day today. There is some sunshine around, but quite a bit of cloud, and that cloud producing quite a lot of showers, some of which will be heavy and thundery. I'll have all the details later in the programme. Good morning both, good morning to you too. Well, today we are looking at quite a few showers developing through the day, but after today, for the rest of the week, there'll be a lot of dry weather, just some isolated showers, but it is going to turn much cooler in eastern areas as we pull in more of an easterly breeze. So we do have areas of cloud this morning across central, southern and southeastern parts of England. We also have a weather front coming south across northwestern Scotland and Northern Ireland, but for you today, it's not going to be as windy as it has been. And in between, we are looking at some sunshine. Temperatures 10 to about 16 degrees. But I mentioned the showers were developing, and as we head through the latter part of the afternoon, you can see, although it's dry in the Channel Islands, across many parts of England and Wales, there will be showers, and they do have the potential to be heavy and thundery. We'll see some of those getting in across Northern Ireland, Northern and West, but again, in between, there will be some sunshine to look forward to. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, many of the showers will tend to fade. Under clear skies in Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll see some patchy mist and fog forming, but quite a bit of cloud still across England and Wales. Temperature-wise, it's going to be cold enough for a touch of frost in some sheltered glens, but generally speaking, it is going to be a chilly night in prospect. So tomorrow we pick up this easterly breeze across the east coast, so here it will feel cooler, and the cloud that starts in the east will drift west through the day with 1 or 2 showers. We'll also see some cloud build across the west of Northern Ireland, and these are our temperatures, 9 to 17 degrees. Dan and Nina.
Thank you very much for that.
Good morning both. Good morning to you too. It's quite cloudy for many of us today with some showers, but for the rest of the week the showers will become fewer and further between. There'll be a lot of dry weather, but it is going to turn cooler in eastern areas as we pull in more of an easterly breeze. Now what we have at the moment is this weak weather front producing some showery outbreaks of rain across northwest Scotland and also Northern Ireland. And you can see it here quite nicely in the radar picture, but we've also had showers across South Wales, southwest England, and a few here and there across eastern England. Now you can see the extent of the cloud cover that we have across England and Wales, breaking up in parts, but further showers developing as we go through the day. And it's the same in Scotland and Northern Ireland, cloud building and further showers coming out of it, but not as windy in the northwest as it was yesterday, with highs today between about 10 and 16 degrees, so down just a degree or so on our top temperatures yesterday as well. Tree pollen levels today are high in southeast England and East Anglia, so bear that in mind if you have an allergy to tree pollen and you're outdoors. And then as we head on through the evening and overnight, well, still a fair bit of cloud around, but many of the showers will fade. Under clear skies in Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll see some patchy mist and fog form, and in sheltered glens and in the countryside, we could see temperatures fall down to about freezing, so there may just be a touch of frost here and there. But it does mean blue skies tomorrow morning in Scotland and Northern Ireland. We've got the onshore breeze across the east coast, so the cloud that starts in the west it's cloud that starts in the east drifting west through the day with a few showers from that, and we've got a weather front not too far away from Northern Ireland throwing in a bit more cloud. So cooler along this east coast. The temperature's that bit higher out towards the west at 17 or 18 degrees. Now the weather front trying to get into Northern Ireland doesn't make it. It's connected to this low pressure which sinks southwards, but you can see in the ensuing few days that we do pull in this easterly wind, and it will be noticeable not just in the east coast but even inland, and it will just take the edge off the temperatures. So on Thursday, certainly the breeze along this east coast, a lot of dry weather around. Bits and pieces of cloud at times, but our temperatures 9 in the north to about 17 as we push further south. Then into Friday, it's the same in that it's going to be quite a windy day, a cold wind coming in from the east. From this thicker cloud, there will be 1 or 2 showers, but equally, there will be some sunshine on offer as well, with temperatures 9 to about 17 degrees. Then into the weekend, there's a chance we could see some showers in the south, but for most it'll be dry, but cloudy. Nina and Dan.